Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you very much for your love and support. I really appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress, and I bring it to you back to back. In this channel, we react to our videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So just grab your share and carry your popcorn, and let's deliberate on today's update.
Is my point. The secret of Buhari is to assassinate silently. We should not allow that to happen. It's about time we get up, meet them even in their own distance. Yeah. But every time they be saying, "Oh, U.S. Don't trust any U.S." I don't trust Biden. I don't. Every time, oh, they are coming. Why are they not coming? All these years, since 2020. Eh? So that's what I'm really, I wish I were younger. Believe you me. The thing is very painful, very annoying.
Um, Thank you, ma. Please, viewers, you guys should share. Don't enjoy this alone. We may have a lot of things to show us, and have a lot of things to tell us.
No,
Also, invite your friends. Mommy, you made mention that IT recognize Biafra because of your brother. Biafrans all over the world, Biafrans that are watching, they would like to know the name of your brother and how and the role your brother played that make IT to recognize Biafra.
my brother was a very good friend of Ojukwu.
Okay.
Very good friend of Ojukwu. And Ojukwu sent him on assignment. In fact, he was out of the country when Biafra, when the war ended. And as I said, my brother, Dr. Okechukwu Ikejiani, many people will know him, or they will even hear my father's name, Ikejiani. Should know the meaning of Ikejiani. So my brother was was a politician, but not that he belonged to any party. He was the Nigerian Railway Corporation chairman. They will tell you the action because he dealt with all those Fulani people. There was a Yoruba man, for example, that they denied promotion because of the belief of that Yoruba man. My cousin, who wanted to be made a general manager, my cousin, Wantio Nzegu, married to one Dr. Nzegu, a Yoruba lady. You understand? But he thought that my brother would promote him. My brother is not like that. My brother is a straightforward and very active somebody. So, he now, Ojukwu sent, in fact, we disguised my brother before we escaped from Lagos. You hear me? Because there was, if they were sending people to my brother's clinic. My brother owned his own hospital. And by then, my husband and I were at Owerri. I was a nursing sister then. So I read in Daily Times, the headline, my Dr. Okechukwu Ikejani says, "I love cars." I said, headline. So my husband took me to Port Harcourt to board plane in the night, in the evening, to Lagos, not knowing that my immediate senior sister in Enugu, one Mrs. Esther Okoli, that she herself read it in and left for Lagos. That time, no mobile phone, but I had the privilege of having telephone because I was on call, always on call, on duty. So I had phone. Government gave me phone. Then my eldest sister, who was at Enugu, read the same thing, left for Lagos, unknown to me, unknown to any one of us. It was now when I arrived in Lagos in the night that I learned that all of them, my brother came to pick me here. So when I got there, my sisters were there. My youngest sister at the time, with her husband and children, they were based in Lagos. And my elder brother, the lawyer, was also in Lagos with the family. So you can see, out of the 9 children that were alive, my parents born, how many of us? Only 3 were not. Out of 9. So 6 of us were in Lagos that time. So what happened was that my brother's wife was keeping poultry. So he sent the driver to Ikeja to go and buy feed. Only for the driver to come, to say, there's a problem in Ikeja. Are you hearing me? There's a problem in Ikeja. So he didn't buy the feed. At that same time, His wife called my brother. He said, look, I cannot hear from my husband because the husband traveled to Ibadan. He said, I've not been able to reach my husband. Yeah. And when I got there, I went to my brother's clinic. I said, because he had a what do you call it? He had so many houses, estate. He had an estate. Out of this estate, they had built 9 houses, all of them upstairs. One he was living in, the other one for clinic. And also, he had also molded blocks to now build a real full hospital. Molded enough blocks, but the hospital building had not started. So that by the time the driver came to tell my brother, said, look, see what that they were to shoot at his car, because they all know his car. Because that number, he and Awolo were dragged over that number, the registration number, and he took it. But my brother's driver, a native of Nnewi, very, very, very good driver, experienced driver. He managed to maneuver and come. As he came now, I had an uncle, my mother's youngest brother, who fought in the war, Second World War. So he came. He had to take my brother out. You hear me? Because they were to be killing the Igbos then. That was their plan. So he took my brother out and went and hid him somewhere in Munshin. If you see the place he hid my brother, locked him up in a room. Then he came. And as at that time, I told the nurses, I said, listen, if anybody comes to ask about anything, tell them that I am the one in charge. Because as at that time also, they set up a quarry in that railway, which God showed me. God showed me that about that inquiry, that there be an inquiry in 1963 when I was at Owerri doing a relief duty for 3 months. And I wrote to my brother, I said, look, make sure that you keep your account. This is what he showed me. And then in that dream, I was referred to read the Habakkuk chapter 2. And it's in that place that they said, write the dream, but because it must surely happen. It must surely happen. Though it may delay, but it must come to pass. It was so in that dream that in 1963 that I was told that my husband would be going for what do you call it? Something study. And my husband was insisting in that dream that I must accompany him. All these things came to pass in 1964 because my working in Owerri that time was a relief duty. You hear me? So
Mommy, like I'm reading a lot of comments here. You mention that Haiti recognize Biafra with the help of your
Haiti.
brother. Yes,
Yes.
so that is what.
Yeah, my brother went to Haiti.
Uh,
Because I think it was 4 nations that recognized Biafra
okay,
before the war ended.
okay,
So my brother now went to Haiti now because Sojuku sent him on assignment. So it was from there now he could not return to Nigeria when the war ended. Yeah.
okay. Mommy, you were holding Biafra currency, Biafra matches, and a lot of things.
Yes,
Can
what I'm
you?
showing you is because to tell you that we were the original Biafrans, original. And that's why I must be grateful to Nnamdi Kanu because if not that Nnamdi Kanu, I told you we were following Wazirike.
Yes.
Before Wazirike, they were arresting, killing most of people as at that time. Me and my husband, we were doing prison service. You hear me? But we were concentrating on Sapele Road prison. Oka prison there, we went there once or twice because they arrested one Igbo lady, who was we were a member of our church. That time I was in Anglican, you understand? So, to show you that we are original, there was nothing we could not produce. We were making our own fuel. We had our stamps. This is one of the stamps.
Raise the stamp up. Let's see it.
There are 2 stamps.
Okay.
You can see this one.
Raise it up so our viewers can see
See
this.
whether it's Biafra there.
Yeah, that's
I hope
Biafra.
it's not upside down.
No. Okay, this is one of the stamp.
Then this is another one.
Okay. Then how do people make use of the stamp?
We were using them in posted letters now. In
Okay.
Biafra.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it across Biafra or outside Biafra?
The whole of Biafra land.
Okay.
Because the letters, what we did was that, when you have letters that, like my brother would go abroad, he would carry the letters to post.
Okay.
And this is the matches.
Biafra matches.
Yes.
The people we are using then.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. See, okay, this is one of the Biafra matches. How do people make use of the matches?
No, you tear it from here.
Okay.
You tear it, then you strike it. You don't see the place you strike.
Okay. Hold it so that our viewers can see it.
Huh?
Hold the matches so that our viewers can see it. Okay, this is one of the Biafra matches that people we are using then.
Yes.
During the war.
Yes.
Okay.
We wanted to go away. Why should we continue to be where people will be killing us?
Okay. They have seen the matches.
Then this one is the one that this is 5 shillings. But this was a temporary. You can see the quality.
Okay.
Before now, Ojukwu them now printed the permanent or current edition.
Okay.
This is the original 5 shillings that you are using.
Okay.
Then this is now the real 5 shillings. That you can see the quality because we are known for quality.
Do you mean Biafrans are known for quality?
Yes.
All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. Do well to share this video with your friends and family so that they know the latest that happened all over the globe. There's a lot of people that need this orientation. A lot of people need what is going on or what has happened the time past during the war. A lot of us are curious to know. And our mother is giving us the news back to back. Imagine how beautiful the Biafra money looks. These are things that we want to hear, and we believe that very soon, very soon, very soon, our dreams will come true. We go to our promised land. as we put the leader of Biafra, His Excellency, in our prayers always. All right, my wonderful family, share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and be part of this big family. See you when I see you. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress here on YouTube any day, anytime. For now, I say bye.